Hi friends, welcome to SSCJ Electrical. SSCJ 2022 notification has been released. You can see here, this is the official website ssc.nic.in. This is the official website. You can see this is the notification. You can see here application started on August 12th. From August 12th to September 2 you can apply for this exam. Okay, this is the last date. Okay, September 2 is the last date for this. And in this video you can see how to apply for this exam also. If you are first time registering for this, you can see here, if you have already registered for this, you have to enter your user ID and password and you can log in and you can apply for this exam. And if you are first time you are applying for this, and you have to click on new user. Okay, you have to click on new user, that is the register now option will be there. Just click on that. After clicking on this register now, you will get this page and the basic details will be open. You have to enter all these basic details, and after entering all these details you will get some user ID and password, and based on that you can apply for this exam. You can see, so some demo I will show you. You can see here, so live demo I will show you. You can see here, do you have a Aadhaar ID, it will ask, and you have to enter yes. So you have to enter your Aadhaar number. Next you have to enter the same Aadhaar number again. So after verification, and type of ID is not mandatory here, and next star mark, wherever star mark is there you have to enter those details. Name you have to enter here. Okay, so you have to enter your name, and again you have to enter the same name here. And have you ever changed your name? So no. And father name you have to enter, and again you have to enter the same name. So mother name you have to enter, for example. So verify mother name, same. So date of birth you have to enter. You have to enter your date of birth here. You can see a date, month and year format, and you have to click on this here and select the year first. And after selecting the year you have to choose the month, and after that you have to choose the date and verify the date of birth. Same thing you have to enter again. Okay, you can use keyboard or you can directly select from the calendar. Okay, any of that you can use. And after that, education board and which board you have studied, state board or anything you can select here. You have to select the board. So Board of Secondary Education, Andhra Pradesh, and verify the education. You have to choose the same thing again. And after that you have to enter your roll number, 10th class roll number. This is regarding matriculation examination details, so you have to enter these details. So same details you have to enter here, and year of passing you have to enter. So whatever you want to enter, just based on that you have to similar, same thing you have to repeat. So year of passing, verify year of passing, and gender. And 2 times it is asking by mistake. If you choose any other thing, and you can correct yourself, gender. So same thing it will ask. So level of education qualification. So what's the education qualification you have to choose? So graduation, if you are BTech you have to choose graduation, and if you are diploma you have to choose diploma, like this. Okay, so mobile number you have to enter, the same mobile number you have to enter here, and in the same way you have to enter your email ID, and the same email ID you have to re-enter here. And state or UT you have to select here, which state or UT you belongs to. You have to enter these details and you have to click on save. So after entering these details, if you click on the save, the details will be saved. So after confirming this, it will load like this. It will ask you to confirm your details, like email ID and phone number. It will ask you to confirm, and after that it will load like this. Here server is showing as busy. So after entering additional contact details and after submitting that, you will get a user ID and password. and after contact details and submission you will get the login details to your mail ID. So based on that you can log in. So by using logins you can apply for this exam. Currently server is busy, that's why I'm unable to process. Okay, thank you. And if you're first time watching this channel, please subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.